Hello my lovely students, with you Mrs. Ra. Today we are going to take a new vocabulary lesson. Unit 7, Lesson 1. The title of this unit is Mind and Body. If you want to have a happy life, you must have a healthy body and a healthy mind. So don't forget, healthy body by exercising and eating healthy food, plus healthy mind by doing yoga and relaxing, they equal happy life. So let's start. Okay guys, now we are going to study together the new vocabulary of our new lesson with the definition of each word with examples to help you to put each word of them in a sentence. So let's start. Our first word is, look here at this picture. What is she doing? She is mixing the ingredients together to make a chocolate cake. She is mixing here the milk with the chocolate, with eggs, butter and flour to make a chocolate cake. So what do I mean by mixing things together? I mean here combination. Combination, it's a noun. What do I mean by combination? Mixing of things together. For example, what an unusual combination of flavors, like eating an ice cream with so many flavors like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, mango flavors. Next, look here. What are they doing? They are doing some exercises. Okay, and these are physical exercises. So I have here the adjective physical. Physical. What do I mean by physical? Relating to the body of a person instead of the mind. So I'm talking here about the body. For example, the ordeal has affected both her mental and physical health. What I mean by ordeal, I mean difficult and unpleasant experience has affected, has it changed both her mental, I'm talking here about the mind, and her physical health, I'm talking here about the body. Look here at that lady. She is so tired and anxious. She has a lot of work to do and she can't relax or take a break. What is the synonym of tired and anxious? The synonym is stressed. So that lady is so stressed. Stressed is an adjective. What do I mean by stressed? To be too anxious and tired to be able to relax. And the opposite of stressed is calm or relaxed. For example, stressed out, take a break in the sun. Next, look here at that man and that lady. Parts of their bodies are sore. So I have here the adjective sore. What do I mean by sore? I mean painful. If a part of your body is sore, it is painful and often red, especially because of infection or because a muscle has been used too much. For example, sore throat. Like here in the picture, that man, he has a sore throat. Another example, that lady is saying, my stomach is still sore. What I mean by sore again, painful after the operation. So her stomach hurts her, and that man, his throat hurts him. Look here at this picture. What can you see? I can see a pharmacist. Where does she work? She works at a pharmacy. We have another synonym for this place. It's chemist. Chemist, it's a noun. What do I mean by it? I mean a shop where medicine is sold, and the synonym of it is pharmacy. For example, take this prescription to the chemist. What I mean by prescription, I mean an official piece of paper on which a doctor writes the type of medicine you should have, and which enables you to get it from a chemist. Next, look at him, he is running very fast. His body is full of excellent energy. His body is full of energy. Energy is a noun. What do I mean by it? I mean power, the strength, effort, and enthusiasm required for physical or mental activities, work, etc. For example, with a sudden burst of energy, what I mean by burst, I mean a strong emotion that starts suddenly. With a sudden burst of energy, he ran to the top of the hill. Okay guys, look here at that lady. What is she doing? She is coughing. So I have here the verb cough. What do I mean by cough? To make a sudden harsh noise. To force out air suddenly and noisily through your throat. For example, when you have a cold. Next, look here at the other lady. She is holding a tissue and she is about to sneeze. She is going to sneeze. So I have here the verb sneeze. What do I mean by sneeze? To make a sudden explosion of air from the nose and mouth. To have air come suddenly and noisily out through your nose and mouth in a way that you can't control because you have a cold. For example, viruses can be spread through coughing and sneezing. Okay guys, look here at that lady's face. Her face is so white. She is so ill. So her face is pale. I have here the adjective pale. What do I mean by pale? When a person's face or skin has less color because of illness or fear. Okay, like your face, its color is yellow or it's so white because you are sick or you are afraid of something. For example, you look pale. Are you okay? Next, look here. What are they riding? They are riding bicycles. So they are cycling. So I have here the verb cycle. What do I mean by cycle? To ride a bicycle or to travel by bicycle. For example, he cycles 10 miles to and from work every day. Look here at this picture. What is he trying to do? He is thinking. He is trying to guess the answer. So I have here guess what? I have here the verb guess. What do I mean by guess? To form an opinion or give an answer about something when you don't know much or anything about it. For example, we can only guess how fast a dinosaur might have run. Okay guys, look here at this picture. Look here at that lady. Look at her body before and after. Before she was fat, but after she is thin now. So she lost weight. I have here lose weight. What I mean by lose weight? To get thinner, to become less heavy and less fat by eating healthy food and doing exercises. So if you wanna to lose weight, you have to eat healthy food. Okay, like that lady, she is eating green salad. And look here at the other lady, she is avoiding eating unhealthy food and she is going to eat only healthy food like fruits and vegetables. So they are going to follow a diet. They are going to go on a diet. Okay guys, let's continue. Look here at this picture. I have here the expression keep yourself fit. So what do I mean by keep fit? Keep fit is the activity of keeping your body in a good condition by doing special exercises and for sure by eating healthy food. Where you are going to do these special exercises? Excellent. In a gym. So you are going to join a gym, okay, to become a member at a gym, at a private club, or health club. They are synonyms. What do I mean by gym? A private club where people go to do a physical exercise in order to stay or become healthy and fit. So look here. Healthy body by doing exercises and eating healthy food, plus healthy mind by doing yoga and relaxing, they equal happy life. Let's continue. Look here at that lady. She is so sick. She is in bed because she caught a cold. So I have here catch a cold. What I mean by catch a cold? To get flu, to become ill with a cold. What I mean by flu? A serious disease caused by a virus that causes a high temperature, severe pains, and weakness. So when you are sick and you go to the doctor, okay, he gives you medicine to feel better. So you have to take your excellent, like that lady. She is taking her pills. I have here take pills. What I mean by pill? A small flat round piece of medicine that you swallow whole without biting it. Let's continue. Look here at this picture. Oh no, I'm sick. What's wrong with him? He has a high temperature, like that girl. What I mean by high temperature? To be hotter than usual because you are sick. And the synonym of it is fever. For example, they got sick and had a temperature. Next, look here at that man. His throat hurts him. He has a sore throat. What I mean by sore throat? To feel pain in your throat, especially when you swallow. For example, he had a sore throat after he ate ice cream yesterday. Okay guys, after studying the words with their definitions and examples, it's your turn now to put each word of them in your own example. And before checking the classwork with me, I want you to pause the video for 5 minutes and answer these questions alone, and after that play the video again to check your answers with me. So let's start. Exercise number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Could you please get me some vitamins from the fire station or bank or chemist's on your way home? Excellent. Could you please get me some vitamins from the chemist's on your way home? And what is the synonym of chemist's? Yes, excellent. Pharmacy. Number 2. Rodina has been very stressed, scary, pretty lately with all the work she has to do. Right. Rodina has been very stressed lately with all the work she has to do. She is so worried and she is so tired. Number 3. He has to run, take pills, take advice to control his blood pressure. Right. He has to take pills to control his blood pressure, to take his medicine. Number 4. She's starving herself to try to catch cold, lose weight, stay home. Right. She's starving herself to try to lose weight. What I mean by starving herself? She is trying not to eat or not to eat much. Number 5. His music is a fascinating combination, soul, cough of American rhythm and American jazz melodies. Right. His music is a fascinating combination. What I mean by combination? I mean mixing, okay, of two things or more. Here of American rhythm and American jazz melodies. Number 6. I have a sore, cough, sneeze, throat, and runny nose. So what comes with throat? Okay, comes sore. I have a sore throat and runny nose. Let's continue, guys. Exercise number 2. Supply the missing letters. Number 1. Know what contact with the other player is allowed in the game. And I wanna hear a word starts with PH. Right? No physical contact with the other player is allowed in the game. They can't touch each other. No body contact. Okay, number 2. You will catch a what if you go out as it's raining outside. Excellent. You will catch a cold. You will get flu if you go out as it's raining outside. Number 3. Daily exercises are good to what? You what? I wanna hear 2 words. Yes, daily exercises are good to keep you fit, to keep your body in a good condition. Number 4, you can what? The gym if you want to do exercises. Right, you can join the gym if you want to do exercises. The last one here, number 5, if you want to lose weight, you have to go on a right diet. If you want to lose weight, you have to go on a diet. You have to eat only healthy food like vegetables and fruits. Guys, it's your turn to do your homework. Before checking your answers with me, do them alone, and after that, play the video again to check your answers with me. So let's start. Exercise number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, put your hand over your mouth when you cough, sneeze, or smile, or sore, or yawn. Right. Put your hand over your mouth when you cough, sneeze, or yawn. Number 2, the baby has been coughing or cycling or standing all night because of cold. Excellent. The baby has been coughing all night because of cold. Number 3, I sleep, cry, cycle to work every day. Excellent. I cycle to work every day. It means I go to work by my bike. I ride my bike to go to work. Number 4, wear your coat or you'll catch a cold, or keep fit or join a gym. Excellent. Wear your coat or you will catch a cold. You will get flu. Number 5, you'll never lose, sneeze, or guess who I saw in town last week. Right. You'll never guess who I saw in town last week. Exercise number 2, supply the missing letters. Number 1, you can buy medicine from the. Excellent. You can buy medicine from the chemist. Number 2, the patient has a what? Throat. Right. The patient has a sore throat. Okay guys, let's continue. Exercise number 2, supply the missing letters. Number 3, he was feeling what about the deadline? What I mean by deadline, I mean a point in time by which something must be done. So he was feeling, excellent, he was feeling stressed about the deadline. Number 4, water is a what of hydrogen and oxygen. Right, water is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. I mean mixing of these two things. Number 5, the kids are always full of what? Excellent. The kids are always full of energy, full of power. 6, stop eating many desserts. What I mean by desserts, I mean sweet food to lose what? Right. Stop eating many desserts to lose weight. Number 7, if you have headache, you can take what and you will get better. What you're going to take when your head hurts you? Yes, you're going to take your pills. So if you have a headache, you can take pills and you will get better. Number 8, she has got a high what? Right, she has got a high Temperature. She is very hot. Her body is very hot. She has a fever. Now we have finished, guys. I wanted to thank you all for listening to me. I want you to study hard. Goodbye, my lovely kids. See you soon. Stay safe. Don't forget that I love you. You're adorable. Goodbye.